Alright, so I'm getting ready to stake these Benizuru strawberries that are getting ready to blush. So this is the perfect time for me to stake the berries and get them off of the soil and protect them from the insects which come out of the soil. So what I'm doing now, basically, before I get to that, is I'm trying to make some space for my Benizuru. Just a little bit of space for my Benizuru strawberries. I want them to have a little more space to spread now that they're putting out their runners. So if we look in here, you can see I have a couple of varieties of, or a couple of species of plants interplanted in here. So to the left of my hand, you can see right here, I have a white jade spineless pineapple. So the white jade pineapple, it doesn't have any spines. So the white jade pineapple, it makes a white flesh fruit that's very, very sweet, much sweeter than the yellow varieties are. And then also back here, you can see a white radish, which is a daikon radish. And I generously seeded a lot of daikon radish seeds in there. I just sprinkled them all throughout, and whatever germinated. So this is a couple of Benizuru plants right here. Originally, they all came from one plant. So I'm thinning out some of these weaker radishes. I want to save seed from the daikon, and I also want it to continue shading out the Benizuru area. I just don't need as much shade anymore because my Benizuru is starting to thrive. So here's one daikon that I pulled up, and I'm just pulling up the weaker ones that may not be ideal for saving seed. So I can still eat this. I'm going to refrigerate that, rinse it off and refrigerate it. Then we can look in here, you can see some other weaker ones. And then you can also see some white jade leaves. So I want to make space for that. Oh, and look, first signs of a pest. So perfect, we'll pull you out without dropping the caterpillar. Okay, that was perfect. So that's 2 roots. Too many roots that I can use in a stir fry, and that'll give those white jades some space. I'm just pulling out some of these other weaker ones that just don't have roots at all. Those greens would be great to use. So that's 3 varieties in one grow bag. Let's check out the size of this grow bag. So it stretches from right there and circles in right here. It'll be hard to see the width of it, but as a bonus, you can also see they're planted around a blueberry plant. So this is the other side of the grow bag right here. You can see the white edge, then another white edge, and I have about 5 of those surrounding this blueberry right here. Here's how they look without the radishes growing, and I mean, you can see the grass. I mean, if the radish don't grow there, the grass will. So, but you can also see the runners, they're ready to get rooted. And then over here you can see some corn. I'm just experimenting with a lot of stuff. Corn and white jade in this one. Same over here. Corn and white jade, and I'm gonna sprinkle some radish seeds in there since I see that the radish does so well. I'm gonna sprinkle some radish seeds in here to help keep these weeds out. And if we come back and look at the Benizuru radish bag, you can see there's practically not many weeds in there. If there are, they're very small and easy to pull out. Nothing to it. But mostly if you look in there, you just see a bunch of greens. So I'm gonna finish cleaning this up. I'm gonna get these stakes down. Just put them right next to the plant, drop them in that soil. Tie these berries right to that stake. They're gonna be off that soil, ready for me to come pick them as soon as they ripen. So that's how I have these multiple varieties growing in one grow bag. See y'all in the next one. And these big leaves, you can pick those whenever you see them getting too large. I pick them as soon as they start reaching the blueberry plant right here. So I try to keep this as an understory for the blueberry, which helps to keep that well shaded. Well, it keeps the soil well shaded, which increases the moisture content, or which maintains the moisture content. And the same for this Benny strawberry, which doesn't like the summer sun, from what I saw in previous seasons. Okay.